Hi Terry, so I'm in your Google Search Console and I have found the mobile usability issues. So you've got those three issues and I'm going to analyze them. So you will be able to see what are the errors detected by Google Search Console. So first one is text too small to read. So I clicked it earlier, it opened in new tab. I'll show you what it is. So it's one product, two-piece NATO. I open it in a new tab, and the error is there are some elements that are partially blocked by robots.txt. So it feels like Facebook icon, the Facebook, probably sharing icon, some kind of Shopify branding, Twitter branding, and some redirect issues when it comes to the images. It looks like there could be this particular page could be affected by could have some kind of block, but robots.txt are being blocked from accessing some of the elements. So I would look into that. I'll add this URL to obviously optimize to analyze it further. Okay, the other issue is clickable elements too close together. So I'll see which page. So it's exactly the same product and content wider than the screen. So it could be the images and exactly the same product as well. So what I'll do, I'll analyze this product in a little bit more depth to find which elements actually don't comply with the mobile display, and I'll be able to fix this during the project because it's part of SEO. Okay, I have already run the mobile test on this product, so I know which issues there are. So basically those three issues relate only to one product, and I'll be happy to work on it during the project. As you can see, there were issues mainly in July this year. There were no issues later on, and for some reason the issue appeared yesterday again. So obviously there is one error that appeared yesterday. Okay, I hope it helps, Terry, and thank you so much for letting me know about it.